Hey folks, how is it going? Yerain here from Yerain Designs, and in this video I just want to show you how to install Divi on a WordPress website. I'm in the middle of creating a new website for a client, and I just thought, maybe there's some people who would like to use Divi or have just downloaded Divi, but they have these files and they don't know what to do with it or where to put them. So in this video I'm going to run through how to install Divi and how to activate it. So first thing you have to do is go to accounts. Now of course, if you have not purchased the Divi theme, you're not able to use it. This is the pricing table here. I would highly suggest the lifetime access. You get unlimited updates. They keep pumping out a new theme every week. It's insane. They give so much for free, essentially for free, after you're paying this lifetime access. I couldn't imagine justifying $89 a year when you can have the lifetime access and all the things they offer, and I have nothing to do with Divi. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just really love what they do. I love their service, and you can see that a ton of other people do as well. So if you already have made an account, all you have to do is go to account, click member, login, and go down here to download the Divi theme. There's also the Divi plugin. Let me tell you the difference between these two things. So the difference between the Divi theme and the Divi plugin is that the Divi theme is a theme that you're installing on the WordPress website. WordPress can only have one theme installed at a time. The plugin will allow you to use the Divi features on different themes. So you could be using, say, the Astra theme, for instance, or a completely custom theme that you had a web developer create for you. And if you're really custom or comfortable with using Divi, you could download the Divi theme and start using the widgets from Divi just like you would on any other page from the Divi theme. I do not know if the Divi builder supports the theme builder functionality that Divi themes does. And what that means, with Divi, you're able to edit the archive pages and all kind of pages that are made automatically. I don't know if the Divi builder will allow you to do that. There's also a couple other things that you can download from here. They come with your lifetime access or your annual access. This is an extra theme. This is not an extra theme. This is the extra theme, also created by Elegant Themes. It's kind of like a newspaper theme. I've tried it. It's okay, but you can find better out there. Divi's really their flagship. The Bloom, I've never downloaded or installed Bloom, so I can't say too much about that. Monarch is a pretty good social share plugin. It's a little limited in its capabilities, and you could actually find other free software that do a much better job that Monarch does, because you just can't customize it as much as you wanted to right out of the box. You'd have to use a lot of custom CSS. So we're gonna go ahead and click download the Divi theme. Now you see the theme downloaded right down here. What I'm gonna do is shrink this page just a little bit so I can see just a tiny bit here, and I'm gonna drag what just downloaded right here so that we have a nice clean, semi-clean place to work. I'm going to open up the zip file that I just downloaded. So this is the actual file that you're going to put inside of your website. Now I'm going to open this up real quick because I just want to show you what's inside of it. If you try to open it up, if you download anything from some other of the popular plugin and theme marketplace websites, you'll find that, for instance, ThemeForce gives you a folder where you can open up, and then there's a bunch of other stuff in there, and there's a bunch of other stuff in there. Not in this case. This is just the Divi theme, and inside of it you'll have your template for your 404 page. If we check it out, it's just a bunch of PHP code and just a bunch of other stuff that you don't need to know at all. I just wanted to show you what's inside of that folder. You don't need to look at this or edit this ever. Matter of fact, let's just get rid of this right away. And just continue using the zip file. So we're gonna go back to the dashboard, go to appearance. If I click add new, I'll be taken to this page. Just gotta click upload theme, click choose the file, and drag this in there. By the way, you don't want to do this where you drag the file and drop it right in here without clicking that button, because then it'll just re-download the file that you just that you wanted to install, and that's not gonna install the actual file. You have to click choose file, select the file, drag it, click open, and now it's selected. So now we can click install. It's doing its thing. Excellent. So when the theme installs successfully, you're going to see this theme installed successfully, right? Click activate to activate the theme. So like I said, you can only have one theme activated at a time. Now we're taking this theme and making it active as opposed to the other any of these other themes. Great. So now we have Divi installed on our website. Now if we take a look at this website, right click, that the Divi theme has successfully installed. Of course, there's nothing on this theme. You have to create something with the Divi builder. Okay, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. That is how you download and install the Divi theme. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do. Like, subscribe if you like this content, and I'll see you next time. Take care.